Do my skincare. She's back. I'm just gonna do my skincare long before I go to bed. Hey everybody. Kamusta kayong lahat? How is everyone doing? I missed you all. Yes, I went home already. Ano na mag-back up? Yeah, ganun talaga kapag pagka may edad na. Wow, pag ganitong age group na talaga. No, because I have to rest. And yes, I'm back. Before anything else, I would like to say thank you to everybody who sent their messages. The past few days has been really hard for me, especially this weekend when I was rushed to the hospital. But now I'm better. Still, continuing my recovery, but we're on the way to a better Marina. Well, a better Marina. Yeah, I'm okay now. In fact, kakagaling ko lang din sa labas. I was at Nocturnal as well. Just wanted to say hi to everybody. And since nabigyan ako ng clearance ng doctor ko today to go out, might as well say hi to everybody. Kasi sayang naman yung look ko tonight. And then tomorrow, so I'm just say hi to everybody and then go home agad. So parang an hour and a half lang ata ako doon kasi gusto ko magpahinga, ayokong abusuhin. Ayun. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my skincare. And while we're at it, let's talk and do our thing. And also, I would like to say sorry again sa lahat ng mga pumunta sa Jensen for my show. I am so sad that I didn't get to do it last Saturday, but that was like the parang height of my sakit. Wow, height of my sakit. So yeah, but now we are taking care of ourselves. Are you taking care of yourselves? Because I am, baby. That's why I went home early. I didn't do any drinks tonight. And yeah, and syempre nagpapagaling ako kasi meron akong Australia tour and I have to be really, really healthy for that. So, i-reserve ko lahat ng energy ko for Australia. For Melbourne and Sydney. Can't wait to see you here in Sydney. Yes! I cannot wait. Elle, it's nice to see you. Ang ganda-ganda ni Blythe. Oh my God, nauga ako kay Blythe. Tsaka kay Kylene. Oh my God, si Kylene. Kanina, merong nakaupo sa tabi ko. Tapos nag-hi siya sa akin. Oh my God, Kylene! It's you! Yun. What else? So yeah, I'm just you and me, baby. Just you and me. Right now. In my studio. Morena! Elis Morena is here. One of my favorite, if not my favorite, Filipino artist. as of the moment. My girl, Morena. So yeah, next week I will be flying to Sydney to do my tour. And I look so strange right now, I know, but I'm excited to see you guys. I'm excited to come back down under. Sadly, this time it's only 2 cities, but we're gonna make the most out of it. Ang dami kong free time, so Melbourne, Australia, what's good? Sydney, Australia, what's good? See you soon, Iles. Hi man, nabubulok na yung vlog sa drafts mo. Oo nga, sorry. Oh my God. Habang pinababad natin yung mukha ko, mag-vitamins na tayo. Drink your vitamins, guys. Medyo marami akong nighttime capsules for everything. Dahil marami akong minemaintain na mga bagay-bagay. Nakauwi ka na, yes. I'm home already. Cleaner. That's not here. Kinuha ko na isa. When Cebu? I don't know. May club pa ba sa Cebu na merong drag? I don't know. Girl, I don't know, girl. Also, drink lots of water. Hindi mo meron pang lipstick. Kasi dinala ko rin to kahit nasa kahit nasa party ako kanina, may dala akong water. Always drinking water. Me, guilty. Ten minutes na ba? Tinimer nyo ba? Charot. Tinimer nyo ba? Ano na? Yes, mag-vitamins kayo kasi flu season. Toronto, I'm not sure baka next year na. Yeah, I kind of want to rest for the last part of the year. Rest talaga, pero may tour next week, no? I'm doing Australia and then India and then a couple of cities in Latin America. I think just 2 cities. We trimmed it down because I really want to rest. Kasi nagkaroon na naman ako ng hospital scare. So I have to rest. It's my body saying, hey, bitch, you're not that invincible. So I have to rest until early next year. I'm planning to take like a deep reset and rest for my body. And also, syempre, di ba, kayod ako ng kayod. Parang gusto kong mamasyal, gusto kong magbakasyon, ganyan. Gusto kong waldasin yung pera ko. Charo. And then we'll come back stronger with another worldwide tour next year. That is our plan. Yeah. But I'm gonna be announcing something soon, so abang-abang kayo. Like, abang-abang. See you. Yes, I will be in Dits. Available pa po ba ticket for December 27? Ano yung 27? December 27. 10 minutes na daw. Okay, 10 minutes na. Tatanggalin ko na to. Marina, when are you gonna come to Brazil? Probably next year. Little massage. And then I don't put so much sa face ko na after ko maglagay ng everything. Kasi what I learned about my skin is the more products that I put, the crazier my skin gets. So, ang advice sa akin, put less. So yeah, I think it always works if I put less sa face ko. So, ito yung morning moisturizer ko. I have one that is nighttime. Meron silang rejuvenating, parang bago nila to na ng La Mer na, di ba usually ito siya, yung moisturizing soft cream nila. This one they have, sorry, this one naman is for gabi. I really love this as in. Oh, Dragon the South, December 27, yes. I'll be there. I'll see you guys. Oh, I'll be there. Gitnang-gitna ako sa poster. Paano? Hindi ako nagpakita doon. O, di joke time kayong lahat sa akin. Hair care. Honestly, I'm still switching here and there ng mga hair mask, ng hair mask and shampoo, pa iba-iba, depende sa situation ng hair ko. But, ang pinaka constant, hindi dahil ina-endorse ko, is Cream Silk. Yung Cream Silk treatment, nagti-treatment din ako, parang kapag ka super frizzy na ng hair ko, lalo na kapag kunyari, dire-diretsong gigs, tapos puro natural hair yung ginagamit, tapos style, so I have to treat my hair after like a couple of days. And then, usually, I go for Cream Silk din sa conditioner. So, yun lang naman, very simple. Ako very simple lang ako sa mga regimen. I don't do crazy shit. Kasi, medyo mabilis mag-react ang aking katawan sa kapag-ilagay. And then this one naman is my night cream. My night eye cream. La Mer din siya. Pang ano siya, pang treat ng dark circles naman po. Tickets still available? I don't think so. I think sold out na ang Dragon the South. And then, my favorite, sleeping mask from Laneige. allergic ka sa flower. I think so, kasi every time na merong bulaklak sa bahay, inuubo ako at sinisipon. Hindi naman sa flower, but I think like yung mga pollen, yung mga malalang pollen. Plump lips, di ba? Chamomile na lang ang kulang. Wow. Ayan. And also, like, I don't wash my hair so much. Like, wash ko lang siya parang on a regular basis, parang twice a week. Twice. Pero pagka maraming beses ako ini-style ng hair, like, umaabot minsan ng thrice a week to 4 times a week. Depende kung I have to wash off the product. Parang ganon. Pero when I wash off my product, my hair, talagang, lang, cleanse lang talaga. Hindi siya yung todo hair care. Ganon. Kasi, ayun, it also helps with hair growth. Yung let your natural oils, ako lang naman to, like, regimen ko lang naman to. Hindi naman ako doktor, hindi naman ako ano yun. Ayun. And I feel like doing a midnight snack tonight. So, I might leave soon kasi I wanna do some midnight snacking thingy. Kasi medyo nagutom ako. And then, mayroon pa akong mga vitamins sa baba. Hindi ko nadala sa taas. So, thank you so much, guys. I will be posting more dates of my remaining shows this year. In and outside of the Philippines, of course. Yeah, when kapunta ng Jensen, we will let you guys know. But yeah, thank you so much. And ingat everybody, like the flu is fluing. So take care of yourselves and I'll see you guys very soon. Good night. Diba? Parang hindi nagkasakit. Parang nang prank lang. Okay, goodbye. I'm gonna eat.